guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jona for those who are new here, and for today's video ay gagala kami guys. We will spend my day off on somewhere in Vascrescent. Sabi niya ay pupuntahan daw namin yung malaking excavator na soon ay ibebenta na ng company, kaya soon ay mawawala na rin doon sa place kung saan nakapark yun. It's possible to open it from outside. Yeah. Okay. Why? What? What? Davay. Nag-revive. Puminto kami saglit guys kasi bumili ng mga inumin si Tulya. Why?
Alright. Okay.
I have no makeup here yet. Sa sobrang pagmamadali namin, dito ko na lang gagawin yung lipstick ko. Sabi ni Tulya, kailangan doon namin umalis ng mga alas 12. Pero hindi ko basta-basta magagawa yun kasi after feeding with Little Putin, I need also to wait for him to poo before going out, so that we could change his nappy and his nappy. That's part of it. So that his nappy will be new, because we need to ride for about 2 hours to go to that place. Tara, ayan. Mukha na akong tao. Hirap kasi naputol yung isang kuko ko. Better na rin. Sad нормально. Little Putin is with me guys kasi he doesn't want to sit with his car seat. What? Я все. Kaya dito na ako nag-makeup sa sobrang pagmamadali. Sigaw na si Tulya. My love! My love! See you later guys when we will be already on the place, because right now we need to ride for about 2 hours, so it will be quite long if we will take you with us. Look what it is. It's a tunnel. It's a tunnel. He wants to drink your Pepsi right here.
Because I gave it to him.
But
He knows that he can drink it.
But I don't want Pepsi. It's old one. It's old one. It's been heated here also on your car. It's not good.
I bought this Pepsi We will cross this railroad again later.
Ah, that?
There is a road through fields, but I'm afraid that I will not find it right now. I used it only once.
In fields?
Да, just through field.
Is this the what you said? That we will cross this railroad again.
Ага.
It's a village, да?
Kind of. Так, this house, okay. Next. What will be next? Так, ага. Что такое?
Place is weird. Place is weird. It looks the same with the way of movie of Have you seen this movie of The Wrong Turn? It's kind of the same this way. There's still some houses right here. It's really cool. Maybe those people once been there also.
Maybe. No, nice, okay. Так, no, it's just a village. Without road. Without asphalt. Так, прямо через... Нет, не понимаю, что там деревня.
It's just quite funny that you can find a village right after that forest. But was it not dangerous in the night?
Who knows?
Wow, what is it, lake for fishing? What is this? Yellow.
Oh.
Wow, это грязно.
Да не грязно.
Лужа. Ой-ой-ой-ой. Да. Опа, оп, оп, опа, оп, оп.
Нет, мам.
But it's a right way?
Who knows?
Maybe we should ask someone from the village. Bye-bye.
Пять. Sorry.
Take your time. Oh, there's someone's house. Maybe we can ask him.
We will not ask him. road in the village looks not so bad, да?
Да.
Направо ты прикалываешься?
Better and he sit back on his seat because we can't make it right here at the back if we are together.
Аккуратно, аккуратно.
Опа. Что такое?
Нормально.
It was really deep.
Да.
I'm afraid to be stuck here.
Да, it will be difficult to explain, guys, where we are.
Это правда, да? Налево. Во! Что такое? Нормально. Давай еще. Это что такое?
Я подпой. Ясно, спасибо.
What's he saying?
There is no way here.
And what this Google Maps said to us. Better and we found him, да?
Да.
I never see him anymore. Where did he go? Maybe he was just like an angel to save us. I can't see him anymore.
Давай.
What? Ew.
See, our car is also small pickup.
Да. But he showed you a way how to get there. He knows about it, да?
Да.
Wow, he's really an angel.
In fact, it's this road, and we need to go straight, and we will see gates, and it will be security there.
Ah, да?
Да. And we can ask them to go inside.
So all we need to do is straight this way, he said.
Да?
But nobody's there. It seems like it's not working anymore. And it does look even abandoned.
With me here.
Да-да. Oh, someone is there. Oi. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hello guys, so we are here right now in Columna. Hindi ko na kayo sinama nung pauwi kami kasi nagkaroon ng problema from our trip going to that big excavator. At first we were lost Tapos may isang tao kaming natagpuan, nakasalubong doon sa ano. No is this one? Doon sa way na yon. Tapos sinabihan ka. Tapos nagtanong kami kung tama ba yung way na tinatahak namin. Tapos sabi niya ay wala daw daan doon. At tinuro nga kami doon sa daan na i-straight lang daw. Tapos may gate na makikita. At humingi daw kami ng permiso na dumaan doon. Little Putin is with me. Pero ang nangyari nga, nung pagdating namin doon, sarado yung gate. At nung kakausapin sana ni Tulya kung sino yung nandoon, actually may tao nga doon. Nung nasa hagdan pa yung tao ay pumasok si Tulya at hindi nga namin alam may aso pala. Ayun, nakagat si Tulya. At ang sabi nga rin pala nung tao ay hindi nila maaring buksan yung gate kasi nakasarado na. At kailangan nilza to da. At hindi na rin kami makakapagpatuloy pa doon sa sadya namin na malaking excavator kasi matagal na palang kinlos yung gate at hindi na pinapapasukan ng sasakyan. At pwedeng pumasok doon ng tao kung gustong magpa-picture o gustong dumayo doon. Through walking na lang, hindi na through sasakyan. Which is hindi convenient sa amin ang maglakad kasi nga we have Little Putin with us. Kaya at may kagat din si Tulya ng aso kaya we decided to go back na lang para ma-injectionan si Tulya ng anti-rabies. At sa ngayon nga ay nandito si Tulya sa clinic. Ayan yung building ng clinic, yung kulay brown na yan. Nilziato Davavan. Siya lang, Nilziato Davavan. Da paka. At yun nga, nandito kami sa labas guys, hindi na kami pumasok dun sa clinic kasi syempre yung coronavirus. Medical place kasi yun, kaya natatakot din kaming sumama kay Tulya. At kinuha ko na rin tong opportunity na to para makalabas si Little Putin from the car. Kasi mainit nga sa car. Although may aircon, pero dahil summer nga, mainit yung buga ng paligid. Akurat na. Nilzia to da. Da, paka. Paka, masina, paka. Akurat na. Sobrang takot na takot ako guys nung inatake ng aso si Tulya. I just can't do anything kasi kung bubuksan ko yung car, dalawa yung asong nandoon pero isa lang yung umutake kay Tulya. Vava, Nilzia to da. Pero sobrang takot ko talaga pero wala akong magawa. I have Little Putin in the car also, so I can't just open it and at matatakutin din ako sa aso kaya wala rin ako magawa kahit pa pupunta ako doon na tulungan siya. Baka dalawa lang kaming makagat. Katangahan na yun kung pupuntahan ko rin siya. Ang kinainis ko lang kasi yung caretaker nung building ay kahit nandoon na nakikita niya na inaatake ng aso si Tulya ay hindi niya man lang sinaway yung aso. Nainis talaga ako. By the way, hindi Russian yung taong caretaker kaya siguro ay hindi niya sinaway yung aso kasi iniisip niya ay hindi niya naman kalahi. Paka. Вот так. Аккуратно. Вкусно запах, да? Да, давай, попрыгай. Попрыгай, попрыгай. Вот так, молодец. Еще вот так. Вот так. Вот так. Вот так, нельзя туда. Давай еще. Опа, аккуратно. So in short guys, our first trip was just totally failed. At yun nga, na-disgrasya pa. Pero sabi ni Tulya, hindi daw siya susuko. Sa susunod na naman daw kuno, gagawin namin to uli. Pero sa ibang spot na, sa ibang place naman. Kasi sabi niya nga, since malaki na si Little Putin, simulan na daw namin yung mag-travel together as family. Nilza to daw, Baban? Hindi suda. So, kasi binalak namin to dati na mag-travel together nga. Pero, nung nalaman nga namin na buntis ako, at medyo masilan yung pang-amoy ko, lalo na yung pinakaayaw ko yung amoy sa car, kaya hindi kami makapag-travel together kahit buntis ako. Kaya, ngayon na malaki na si Little Putin and we can do it already together with him, it's already possible. So, he decided last night na we should start to do it together at least once or twice in a month. At kung may pagkakataon lang, kasi syempre pareho din kaming busy sa trabaho. Что такое? So that's all guys, thank you for watching. And by the way, before I will end this one, I just wanted to tell you that you can watch the full video of our road trip going to that excavator, even that it was failed, but at least I think you can see the way, our way going to that place. I will just put the link on my description box, or you can also find it on the screen after this video. So thank you for watching guys. Once again, bye bye. See you on my next video. Пока-пока. Еще пока-пока. Смотри сюда. Ты скажи пока-пока.